Today is Gather Day. We are getting ready to go on our international trip, flying into Italy, road tripping into Croatia, and then from there jumping on a catamaran for 7 days for a sailing trip. I've got my checklist because yes, as a pilot's wife for over 30 years, that's just how we roll. Checklist, we don't forget a thing. Today, I'm going to share with you how I'm going to pack in my carry-on and my personal item bag. I've got some tips to help you get everything you need and you won't feel like you're all cramped. I'm Andrea with a glimpse of good travels. I'm a retired teacher, a pilot's wife, so I give all of our travel experience my perspective as we've traveled over the years. So you can travel well, travel light, and travel in your own kind of style. Let's get into it. Okay, first up is the carry-on bag. Yes, we fly carry-on only. We rarely check our bags. You don't have to worry about it being delayed or lost because it always comes with you. And even though we don't check our bags, I still put an air tag into my carry-on suitcase, my personal item bag, and the small bag that I carry with me as we're touring around the towns. If you're an Android user, they have the Samsung smart tags that you will work with your phone to track your bags. If you have traveled recently, you notice they're cracking down on 2 bags only, 1 carry-on and 1 personal item. By using a soft personal item bag, I can put in my 3rd bag, which is the bag I use for touring around. That tucks inside so that I have that for our trip. Inside my personal item bag that doesn't ever leave me will be my passport, my medication bags, of course my other Apple AirTag, and my personal charger. All of those go inside here, so on the off chance that this gets checked, I'll always have everything I need right here. Packing for a boat-sized closet or stateroom. Catamarans are similar to cruise ships, and by that I mean they are cozy. My solution is lightweight fabrics, capsule wardrobe, and using my packing cubes along with my compression cubes. I mix between my packing cubes and my compression cubes to get all of this that I'm going to need for 10 days. We're going to be hiking, so I have pants and shorts for that day, and then we have a little bit of touring, which I have a skirt, sundress, capri pants, linen pants, and then of course 3 different swimsuits, because while on the boat for 7 days, we're going to be on the water a lot, along with, of course, 2 scarves that I can intermix that will be cover-ups that I can also use with my pants when we go out to dinner to accessorize. Okay, so in that side video, I showed how I pack all my outfits for 4 of the days in this packing cube that can be used as a compression cube or just a regular packing cube. Shoes always take up the most space. So I'm planning on taking 3 pairs, all rubber soled bottoms so that they're not slick, and 2 pairs of sneakers. One I'm going to wear, and then this hiking pair since we're hiking for a day. All 3 of those are going to be packed inside. I always suggest wearing the larger, bulkier pair of shoes on the airplane, and then these won't take up much space at all. And stick around till the end where I'm going to gather up all the little extras that you may not think you need, but are great to have anytime you're on a cruise or sailing trip. The best part, the most fun part, I guess, are the little gadgets and things that make any trip on the water a little better. Dry pouches. I have this in another short video, but anytime you're on the water, it's a good idea to have your phone. I don't plan on diving with them or anything, but we're on the water, so just keeping our phones in these dry bags, very helpful. Obviously, anytime you're traveling overseas, you want adapters. These have it for multiple countries, so I only have to pack the one on any trips that we go to. Cruise ships, sailboats, and doesn't count as a liquid, but laundry sheets. So you just take one of those sheets out, put it in your sink, and you can wash your clothes. If you want to pack really light, you can do some laundry. Sunscreen, I only take what we need. Instead of taking a big bottle that I'll have to bring home anyway, these packs are perfect. I just pack enough for me and B, put them in our suitcase, and then I don't have to bring anything home. Currency, you can order it from your bank before you leave, or use an ATM at the airport. Their exchange rates are pretty inexpensive. The third option would be to the exchange booths at the airport. The exchange rates vary between all three of them, so just double check your bank, the ATM, and the exchange kiosks and see what would give you the best exchange rate. As I said before, always take a scarf, whether it's sun protection over my head, whether it's an accessory when we go out to dinner, something to put over my shoulders, keep a little warmer, keep the sun off. It's pretty easy to pack, pretty light, pretty compact. All of your travel documents that you might need, whether it's a paper copy or a hidden photo album on your phone, one of those so that you have a backup of your passport, your driver's license, and maybe any medical forms in case something happens. It's a good idea to keep that with you, an extra set. And a laundry bag. When you're in those small rooms, just being able to stuff those clothes into a separate bag so that you don't have to haul and mix anything that maybe you didn't wear on the boat, or just use one of those packing cubes. Designate that one as put all the dirties in one, put all the unused in the other, pack it home, makes it very easy. There you have it. All that you need on your carry-on and your personal item with minimal shoes-ish and all the Euro extras that you're going to need for your trip. If this was helpful in any way, please hit the like and subscribe for all of your midlife travel adventures from a pilot's wife perspective. Happy travels. So by using a soft bag, whoops, bottom's falling.